Most important current affair lexicons. Hello friends, welcome to GK Today. In this video, we will cover the 15 most important current affairs lexicons. Without acing these lexicons, you cannot stand in the line of the most competitive aspirants. This video is crucial for bringing an appreciable rank in competitive exams. Our first most important current affair lexicon is USA's Communication Decency Act. The Communication Decency Act is a controversial internet legislation in the USA. It was passed in 1996 and it gives legal immunity to such big tech firms with regard to content shared on their platform. The Section 230, Section 230 was an amendment to this law and it holds the users responsible for their posts on such platforms. The legislation is being discussed in the light of Twitter and Facebook suspending the account of the US President. Our second most important lexicon is Sulawesi cave painting. The Sulawesi cave painting is a depiction of the Sulawesi Wati pig in the limestone cave of Leung Tendong in Indonesia. These pigs are commonly found in Ice Age rock art in this Indonesian island. This suggests that the animal was being used as food and also for artistic expression. This painting was created using red ochre pigment. This is considered to be the world's oldest surviving representational depiction of an animal. Our third most important lexicon is Chir pine. Chir pine is a coniferous tree species that is native to the Himalayan region. It is found in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Forests bearing chir pines are prone to forest fires. Why? This is because they shed their needles during the dry summer season. This creates conditions favorable for widespread of fires, especially with the help of winds. These trees are relatively immune to the damages from the fire. Recently, the Kullu fire raged for days before being brought under control. Our fourth most important lexicon is mice tourism. The mice are meetings, incentives, conferences and exhibitions is the goal of the 2021-25 tourism policy of Gujarat government. It is a type of business tourism that draws tourists both domestic and international to a destination. The state is to use mice events that attract tourists and extend their stay so they could visit the local tourist attractions like the Statue of Unity, Lothal, Gir, Dholavir, Girnar, Ropeway, etc. Our fifth most important lexicon is risk-o-meter. Risk-o-meter is a means to assign risk level to mutual fund scheme. The Securities and Exchange Board of India recently made it mandatory for mutual funds to assign such levels to help investors take more informed decisions. The risk-o-meter has a 6-stage scale ranging from low to very high. It is to be evaluated on a monthly basis and updated on the mutual funds website and the AMFI. What does AMFI stand for? Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI website. Our next most important current affair lexicon is cannabis caves. Cannabis caves are the shops in Amsterdam and are a part of efforts to curb illicit drug trade. Amsterdam is considered as the weed capital of the world. Soft drugs like marijuana support a drug tourism industry in the region. Though drug use is illegal under Dutch law, possession of small quantity of drugs has been decriminalized as part of the 1976 tolerance policy. The Dutch government is to ban tourists from these caves starting 2022. Our next most important lexicon is Hobarra bustard. Hobarra bustard is a large terrestrial bird. Its home range includes the parts of the Middle East, Africa and Asia. The Asian Hobarra, which is a different species from the North African Hobarra, is related to the Indian bustard, a critically endangered species. These birds breed in Central Asia and spend the winter in Pakistan, Southwest Asia and Arabian Peninsula. They are threatened by what? Poaching, hunting and habitat degradation. Recently, the Pakistan government gave Hobarra hunting license to Arab royals despite outrage among the citizens. Our next most important lexicon is Mulai Thibu incident. In May 2009, thousands of people were killed in the Mulai Thibu district on the northeastern coast of Sri Lanka. The people had gathered on a narrow land strip between a lagoon and the sea as it was declared a no-fire zone by the Sri Lankan army. But the last of the battles between the army and the LTTE were fought here. Many jumped into the water to escape the falling shells and drowned. The incident has been a sensitive point in the current Tamil question in Sri Lanka. Recently, a memorial to the incident in Jaffna was demolished, sparking widespread criticism. Our ninth most important lexicon is Jharkhand Combined Civil Service Examination Rules 2021. The Jharkhand government has framed rules for the Jharkhand Civil Service exams for the first time. This supersedes the Bihar Civil Services and Bihar Junior Civil Services recruitment rules of 1951. The new rules will be applicable to direct quota vacancies in administrative service, police service, etc. This comes after FIRs and petitions regarding irregularities and confusions in the exam process. In addition to this, the State Public Service Commission has conducted only 6 exams in a span of 2 days. Our 10th most important lexicon is black box. Black box or flight recorder is an electronic device that records various information from an airplane for enabling investigation of aviation accidents. It was invented in the 1950s by whom? David Warren. It is an orange colored device that helps establish the causes of the accident and prevent the same in the future. There are 2 recorders, one a cockpit voice recorder and a flight data recorder. Recently, the black box from the Don Srivijaya jet was retrieved by the Indonesian authorities. Our next most important lexicon is Dreamer Program. The Dreamer Program is an initiative by the United We Dream, a US organization that helps immigrants who arrived unlawfully at the US as children. It helps such person get work permit and also helps them avoid deportation using the DACA program, DACA program. What does it stands for? Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. Recently, Google said it would be donating 250,000 USD to the organization to help cover the application fees of immigrants looking for lawful work under the DACA program. Our next important lexicon is air taxi service. Air taxi service is the use of small commercial airplanes to provide taxi service via short flights on demand. The recent opening of Hisar Airport in Haryana marks the commencement of India's first air taxi service. The service would ply passengers between Chandigarh and Hisar. The Aviation Connectivity and Infrastructure Developments Private Limited, a startup airline, is to provide this service under the UDAN scheme. The Hisar Airport is the 54th airport under the Udan scheme. Our next most important lexicon is ASME machine pistol. ASME is an indigenously developed 9mm machine pistol, a first for India. The pistol was developed by Armament Research and Development Establishment and the Indian Army in a record 4 months. It is made of aircraft grade aluminium and carbon fiber. It was designed and prototyped using 3D printing process. The name ASME means pride, self-respect, hard work. The pistol is noted for its export potential. Our next most important lexicon is CSIR, CPR, or National Institute of Science, Communication and Policy Research, is a new institute under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. It was recently inaugurated in New Delhi. It was formed by merging CSIR, NISCARE, National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Resources, and CSIR, NISTEDS, National Institute of Science, Technology and Development Studies. The institute was envisaged for developing into an internationally respected think tank and resource center for understanding science and technology, innovation, policy, research and communication in a synergetic way. Our most important and last important lexicon is National Innovation Portal. It is an innovation portal developed by National Innovation Foundation, an autonomous entity under the Department of Science and Technology. It seeks to develop an idea in economy and improve the innovation coefficient of the country. It covers a range of domains like energy, electronics, automobiles, chemicals, textile, poultry, nutraceuticals, etc. It is currently home to some 1.15 lakh innovations from the common people of the country. Recently, the Science and Technology Minister dedicated the portal to the nation. See you soon.